We know the basic definition of stress, strain and Young's modulus, bulk modulus of rigidity. On that depends upon the we solve the problems. First one is the calculate the force required to produce an extension of 1 mm in a steel wire of a length 2 meter and diameter 1 mm. Given Young's modulus is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. In this problem we have to calculate the force. So that given is extension produced, that is delta L. Delta L means change in length is equal to 1 mm. We convert in meter. 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Here original length, that is 2 meter. Diameter, that is 1 mm. This is also converts in meter. 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. And radius, that is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. Already here given the Young's modulus, that is phi is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. Then F is equal to, in that formula we find out the force. Here we consider the wire. Wire is having the circular cross section, that is A is equal to pi r square. So that Young's modulus is equal to y is equal to F by A delta L by L. Then rearrange the terms, we get FL divided by A into delta L. Then put the value of A, that is pi r square, is equal to FL divided by pi r square into delta L. Y is equal to FL divided by pi r square into delta L. Then we have to calculate the force. Then take F outside. F is equal to y into pi r square into delta L divided by L. Then put the value. Then we get and calculate. Then we get the final answer. F is equal to 78.5 Newton. Then next problem, that is calculate the extension produced in a wire of a length 2m and radius 0.013 centimeter due to force 47 Newton applied along its length. Given y is equal to 2.1 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. In this formula we have to calculate the extension of wire, that is change in length. So that given is original length L is equal to 2m, radius of wire r is equal to 0.013 centimeter, applied force F is equal to 14.7 Newton, and Young's modulus already here given 2.1 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. To find, in this problem we have to find extension, that is delta L. Then here we consider the wire having the area of cross section. We already discussed in first formula. Then y is equal to F by A divided by delta L by L. Then rearrange the terms. Then we get FL pi r square, that is the area of cross section. A is equal to pi r square. Put here value pi r square into delta L. Then rearrange the terms, we get y is equal to FL divided by pi r square into delta L. In this problem we have to find the extension. So that delta L is then extension. So that take delta L outside. Then we get FL divided by pi r square into y. Put this all the values, we get last final one value, that the delta L is equal to 2.64 mm.